friends, welcome to TechCat, and today I will show you how to add a description on your YouTube video. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the Chrome and click on YouTube link and open your channel. After that, you can see here is the option YouTube Studio. Click on that. Okay, on the left hand side here is the option videos. Click on that. You can see here are my videos which I already uploaded on my channel. Then choose that video which you want to add the description. I choose this video. You can see here is the edit option of the video. And here is the option description. Before adding the description, I will tell you some of the important points which you can add in your video. In description, use keywords and give a short description within 2 to 3 lines. Then give a call to actions in your description. Call to action means give your website, blogs, links. And then in the next paragraph, give a description about your video, that what content in is your video. Then give the links of related videos on your channel. Then describe your channel and give some links for subscription. And the last one is social networking profile links can be added like Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram. To increase the views on your YouTube video, I already prepared my description in my notepad file. Here is my notepad file. You can see I already prepared it. Firstly, I give the description of the video, then the links of another videos on my YouTube channel. Here is the full course of the PowerPoint. I give that link also. Okay. Then I copy the description. Ctrl C. And paste my description. It takes a time because my description is so large. Okay, it's added. You can see here. Okay, here is my social links of my channel: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the last one is about some description of my channel. So after adding the description, you can click on the save, and my changes on my video are saved. Okay. Then I again go to my channel dashboard. So friends, I hope you learned how to add a description on your YouTube video. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel TechCat, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notification of related videos. Thank you.